Yeah.
Right,
We're good, we're on.
okay. Are you good, Mr.
Oh,
Subramani?
look, it popped up immediately. That's quick.
Betsy.
Do I Venmo? Yes, thanks to my child. I Venmo.
We're ready?
1 minute.
Oh, we're on?
I refuse to do it.
We have 1
So-
minute till it's actually 3
I
o'clock.
know,
Okay.
everybody does.
And
And I
since
brought
it's
my
gonna be so
calendar
short,
Yes,
we probably
so I
should
could
wait.
go over
that's
the
exactly
email
right.
and make sure because I got your agreement.
About to leave.
Because you are.
Right, well, 'cause you are.
Okay. This meeting of the Board of Education, special called meeting, November 1st, 3 o'clock PM, is called to order. We have one item on our agenda, the high school auditorium renovation. Mr. Kathy, I'm going to call on you to speak to that.
And I'll start us off too. Sure. First, I want to thank the board for their flexibility in getting here, because we know that this was short notice, but we think it's valuable time. You know, whenever we do a capital improvement project, we want to have positive impact on the school and allow them to have their normal functioning. So Mr. Kathy asked, because of the lead time of products, I think we're looking at a 6 to 8 week lead time for the products for this project, that we want to be able to do it over the Christmas break, because even though they will be done with their current production, we don't want to interfere with their spring production that is coming. So because of that, that's why we requested this strategic planning, or not strategic planning, excuse me, this special call meeting, so that we could go ahead and approve the bid for this project, so they can order the materials and have them in to work on over Christmas. So with that, Mr. Kathy?
The really only thing that I want to add to it is, this was the number one priority that was identified by the key folks that used the auditorium, was the lighting in that auditorium, making it a very difficult. I think Ms. Christie's quote was, "It's very difficult to continue winning awards with the lighting system that we have in this in this auditorium." So this was our first step. It's not going to be the only step that we take with the auditorium, but it was the key priority identified, and it's the first step we're taking towards upgrading. This is all the lights in the auditorium. It's every stage light. It's every can light. It's all inclusive bid package, including all the electrical work that will take to make it happen. Also, we have a separate proposal from Sports Floors to redo the stage that we do have the budget for. That's coming in at about $45,000, which will be at the superintendent's level of approval. But I just wanted to make the board aware that as part of this project, we are also going to attack redoing the stage floor. So lighting, stage floor, and we never like to have special call meetings and then inconvenience you guys unless we really need to. In this case right here, 12 days makes a difference, and we're trying to get done over Christmas break as much work as we possibly can. So,
And I will clarify, so just some description of the flooring, so know that they're putting in a new flooring, but I think Mr. Law is also looking at the structure underneath it as they put in that new flooring. So currently, it can't support a lift on that stage, so they have this ladder contraption that they push out that is huge backstage. So I believe the new floor could support a lift when we do those enhancements to the flooring.
Will they eliminate the pit? Is that a
That's a
desire?
future project, so they are looking at stage, so I don't believe that's included in this project.
It
This
is
is
not.
the existing flooring that we have right now. But it is a dance floor, high quality flooring for them.
Will they do that over Christmas as well? Or-
that's the goal.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If we were to move into doing some other improvements to the auditorium that may be required, knocking down and rebuilding
Yes,
the lights, some of that can go with it, or is that a total loss?
no, it is not a total loss. So now, as far as wiring, there would be some there, but no, these are LED lights that we own that they can be, yes, readjusted.
Go with it.
And it allows us this is also expandable too, so I think they're starting with 2 of the robotic lights that they can control. And so you have the ability to expand this and grow even more, which will be part of this also.
And there was a lot of expertise, and I will be the first to tell you this is not my area of expertise. Stage lighting and the like. So that's when you don't know something, you have to be smart enough to know that you don't know and engage people that have that type of expertise. And we had a lot of people with a lot of expertise. Of course, we got feedback from the people that use the space on a daily basis. Also, Rob Manuel has a wealth of expertise when it comes to stage lighting, design. I mean, he was the key one who we consulted with to get our camera system and things in place for this boardroom. Monty DePauw was the electrical engineer on the job, and he's a well-respected electrical engineer who's done outdoor stadium lighting and everything in between. And then Craig Peterson from Memphis Audio, who same designer that did Carterville High School's auditorium and the lighting system there. So a lot of different hands, a lot of different touches, a lot of expertise that went into this bid recommendation. And I'll be quiet.
And
Thank
didn't-
Any questions?
And didn't we do the sound already, upgrade the sound?
We did, yes ma'am.
Okay. Further questions? I would entertain a motion.
I move to approve the bid GMSD FY 2020-01 for auditorium renovations at Houston High School in the amount of I need my glasses on, $176,061.17 to Advance Electric Company.
Second.
It's been moved by Ms. Fisher and seconded by Ms. Landers. Ms. Subramani, would you call the roll?
Ms. Fisher?
Yes.
Ms. Landers?
Yes.
Ms. Griffin?
Yes.
Ms. Oaf?
Yes.
Chairman Luther?
Yes.
Thank you.
There being no further business for which this meeting was called, we stand adjourned.